In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your camera in Microsoft Teams without joining a meeting. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. This can be the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the settings. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon, which might be your initials or a picture. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. In that menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a separate settings window where you can adjust how Teams behaves on your device. Inside the settings window, you'll see a list of categories down the left-hand side. Look for the one called Devices and click on it. The Devices section is where Teams keeps all the options for your speakers, microphone, and camera. Now, scroll down until you find the Camera section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose which camera Teams should use. If you have more than one camera connected, such as a built-in laptop camera and an external webcam, they will appear in this list. Select the camera you want to test from that drop-down. Right below that, you should see a live preview window. As soon as you select your camera, Teams will show you a real-time video preview of what your camera is capturing. This is the key part. You're not in a call. You're not in a meeting. But you can already see exactly how you'll appear when you do join one. Take a moment to adjust your setup while watching the preview. You can move your laptop, reposition your webcam, or change your lighting so your face is clearly visible. Make sure the image is sharp and not too dark or too bright. If the preview is black or frozen, double-check that your camera isn't being used by another app and that it's properly plugged in. If you switch to another camera in the drop-down, the preview will update, letting you compare which camera looks better without ever needing to start or join a meeting. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can simply close the settings window. That's all you need to do to test your camera in Microsoft Teams without joining a meeting.